the channel. Hit those post notification bells so that you get notified whenever I post another video. So yeah guys, I'm headed to the river today. Remember to subscribe, get me to 20,000 like 20,000 subscribers. Stay tuned guys, we're in our bath suits today and we're going to the river, so stay tuned. See, cover is something drop there.
Take you up now?
You don't want to take it? You got to lose. So that's you can't take it up.
You mind me turn back in. Because you don't take liberty of people.
Oh.
Like people who are sitting. You say like for my foot. I give me trouble.
Can you get there now, Runko?
I must see you then see.
So yeah guys, we're up on the road now. Walk. Yeah? Yes sir. I'm not drop. No, then I think then say I must see the truck I come with you and it turn over. Something like that maybe there. Hey guys, so we're walking to the river. It's a good little distance. We are praying no rain no fall. And we up. The sky kinda look dark. But it's so it's go. We're walking. Yeah? I just want to rain cloud a pass. Maybe not. I just rain cloud. I just rain cloud. Just rain clouds. Guys, me go wash my ear and beard. Me have me bucket with this. How do? Oh, Amuna.
We have followed that while you go up the road, gonna get rain.
No rain not fall. I just something. Hey guys, so this is the road that we're on. You see so much vegetation, so much nature. So this guy see guys, black. I met the mother say I just rain. I just today plant their bush, everything. Full of vegetation guys. This is the spring where we go and fetch water. And we're walking to the river guys. So, and this is not only a nature walk guys, it's exercise. I can get to, you know, shed some fat as well because the river is at with me.
What after another at the plan?
sorry. Yeah. This is all beautiful. The countryside is looking the same. So yeah guys, as you guys can just listen to nature guys as we're here in nature. It's just quiet, peaceful. The only thing you hear is the river flowing, the birds. It's just peaceful. Yeah, very peaceful. So nature guys, I'm really appreciating the nature walk. I hope I can get some apples because apple are there. I'm in a know if I go get no mango because I think the mango tree up. So stay tuned guys. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Let's get us to 20k, right? 20k. Still not reach the river yet. Still walking. Buck up past some people. They all pass with because we are moved through. So I realized I'm gonna put on a deodorant. Should I put on because my arm feels slippery. As you guys, people live here, so it's not lonely strange road where you know say the abandoned. People live up this way as well. Yeah, I enjoy going by black. Yeah, walking, I'm going in that video. Yeah, guys, my mom don't want to come in the video. I don't know why. She must know. And the water still the other pipe. I'll take picture. Eh? When in boy? I'm gonna go check if water still the other pipe. I wonder if water still there, so. Which Guinean? Oh, guys, the apple tree nah no apple. And when they come here and it's full of apple, you know, I know. Nothing. Apple the pan, you know. But me one day me can't go. We really can't. Wow, see that apple the pan, man, guys. You just can't see it.
What black apple they are rolling, man?
Yeah. Guys, I said me can't go for this something.
Hmm?
Whoa.
Yeah, bag.
He said me can't hold this camera and go there. With one hand. I'm going to use that figure. Hey guys. Oh. Apple. And the last time I come here, I shake off the tree. I shake down the tree. I shake. Because I can't climb in, so I have to shake the limb and pick up the good one. They might fight ground. Woo! Woo! No, sir. But come like me still can't reach them same way, so. Oh, yeah, you give me one stick, no? Yeah, that's your stick. Guys, the girl's shot. Still can't reach. See apple them, guys. Full of apple. The girl I go figure out a way. Figure out a way how to get them. Me have to use it. Maybe me have to use it, this. Use it for right. But them a drop it. Them a drop it and sitting there, man. Me can't do it with one hand. Me can't do it with of me picking the apples, guys. Ah, see drop. You can't stand up. Is me still there? I try. I don't know what I go do. I want to see me pick the apple then, but I don't know what I go. I have to sharpen this up there. I use one stick. One drop down this. Something in my back. So what you can't when me I come back because me can't treat this tree with me one hand. Ooh, see one nice one I drop. A nice apple. Dark. My side down. My hand dirty. You know why my bottom dirty up. Just a little snippet. No, I might add. Guys, so as you guys can see, I just got one apple. Are we up beside there? Ah, but I figure see. But me a pick me no go up that side there. I go up there again. Yeah, guys, we're still walking to the river. We have not yet reached. Such a big foundation, my lady. I did start so. Then cut it out. Oh, I cut out the bush them so. Oh, me know how. I forgot to then they tell me say. Then that go start something. Yeah, like then that go start advertise with tourists. We can do nature walk. Yeah.
Which part you cut out down so you know the light man then cut you out, you know. Because the light wire just swing across there so.
Oh.
So you know see one big
Me forget say from then come cut we no go down there no. Remember no. So we no come up here from then come and cut out the place. Okay, so as you can see, we're in the beautiful sunshine and we're walking we're near the river now. Sorry, some could get more apples, but I never have no stick to pick no apple for you guys. But I got one that and it come like ants did the panic my lip burn me. Like pickle ants biting by my mouth. Mr. Julie. Yeah. Can't say me must lose at least some ounces. Must. Whoa. Get out my head. I go wash my hair too, because my hair looks sweaty. Wash my hair, take a shower. It's a long time I not going on a river video like this. So it's gonna be epic. It's already epic. If you reach this far in the video, you're a real OG. Yeah, and I really appreciate my subscribers and stuff. Can't wait to reach 20k. you know, and I want to reach 100K before my birthday in September. So yeah. Mr. Julie. That broke up. I don't like, you know, drop in a bush. Guys, we are trying our next tree again. I don't know. We are going to get none after this. Because them a drop on her. I'm going to broke up. You see a tree big? Tree tall. Can't climb. So we have to. Hey guys, I'll try to see if we can pick two apple. Two apple. Yeah, they might just fall off of the tree. One day. Two day. I get couple apple. Then I bust up. That's the thing then I come down good. Can use them make juice. You have a bag?
No, I know you have a bag.
Oh, I have a bag. Okay, we have to pick them up. One them on the feet. Embarrassed, but can't use them make drinks. The ground solid as a rock. Can't use them make juice. One drop in a bush already. I forgot just use them make little apple, little real authentic apple juice. A piece of stick. See if we can pick two more. How much drop power like this? One. Alright guys, I'm gonna look up. Okay, we get few little apple. I will use them to make the juice. Use them to make juice, guys. Alright. The only thing, guys, the mosquito them I gotta be one of the biggest friend. Yeah, I tell you, them a warm me up. Can't say the mosquito they no keep me company. Keep me whole heap of company. I tell you. I go walk and find one nice hole to swim, wash off, and just relax and be cool. Whew. I love you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I love you, baby. The loneliness I love. Whew. Hey, mosquitoes. And then you will have in my body. Hey. Hey. That's why they have money. Because they say they don't have it. I know ask if you pick me with hands, no, they don't know where they come from for me. If it's quite alright, I love you, baby. And she said, me have singing voice too, guys. We soon make a record, you know. We are walking in the neighborhood. This is what life is made of. We are going to find a nice water hole and swim. Yeah, guys. We are live up with South singing. And as you can see, guys, it's not a lonely road. People live here. So if you choose to walk by yourself, come here. There's nothing to be afraid of because houses, everything is on roadside. And houses are really near. So up, we're walking up, we're doing it. We're walking up, we walk. I don't see me a mosquito. Them me a flash off, you know. Come here, tell us, say, them are near me. Them are near me, man. So, yeah, guys, stay tuned. When we reach our nice water hole, I start back the video. So, yeah, guys. Ah, baby, those broke down. Countryside full of life, guys. Full of life. Planting for days. So yeah, guys, we are actually at the water hole that I'm going to. So yeah, this video was really fun. It is fun. I hope you guys enjoy it and stuff. I got some apples to make juice, and I got to, you know, walk and open up my lungs and just appreciate nature. Don't get this, I'm missing me. So then cut out the place, you can see everywhere clean. Clean.
Go through.
For the slippers. Because slippers have something there.
I know that let me put that.
You guys can't hear the river because we're very close to the pool. I would have lined there a bit, I would have doing all closed down, yeah? Yeah, that even look pretty like one thing. Take time out. Oh, don't get cranny, so. How about
And then I wash off the soap off by stone like where we know. You don't know what off the stone you
then I look at them, nasty up too. I hope there's some nearly slide. That is me, I feel take my time and walk because then be it up there so good. Be hard to kind of set me. I try good on the deep work out. I take my time, come in one drop. In one drop, guys. So, I have to walk on. Can't hear the water because it's a little bit rough. So, people then just spoil up the river then summertime. That's why sometimes in around government, when government don't want some of them bake on some river. And then bake on the river, yeah, and it's hard to walk. Hard to walk. I have to have mind on it. But you know I do the video. Water. We are no crayfish no biting. Woo! You never think no crayfish down in there? I'm afraid that crayfish is no, that crayfish is actually. What if I stone in the water, guys? I like a stone. And then, I'm afraid of crayfish. Alright. Girl, afraid of crayfish. You know why not meat me food. You want another meat food. So me now go. Okay guys. So it's 20. Family there. Yeah guys, I'm gonna go wash my ear now. So yeah. Okay, so I soap up my ear. I will come here to play. I'm going to wash my ear and take a shower. I do a long walk a while ago, guys. I'm glad I finally find one spot where I can wash my ear. So yeah guys, finish bathe, finish wash my ear, and I'm getting ready to go home. I want to say thank you to everybody who stayed and watched the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe guys. Let's get the channel to 20k. Right, so let's get the channel to 20k subscribers. Stay tuned guys. Peer video I drop this, no strict consistency guys, so stay tuned, watch the videos. Please do not watch the video and don't subscribe. Like the video and leave a comment as well. Tell me if you like the scenery of the river. So stay tuned guys. See you guys tomorrow when I drop another video. So yeah guys, bye.